Hey guys, welcome to the Biker Chef, the channel that combines motorcycles and cooking. I just received this Aliexpress aluminum alloy top case, so in today's episode we will have an unboxing and my first impressions on it. So, first things first, the package. As you can see, it was well packed, but the box has some damage due to transport, but let's hope nothing too serious. Okay, some bubble wrap. Let's see what's inside. This was bought from Aliexpress from the Kemimoto ADV riding store. It's the 45 liters, but the X version. It also has a version that doesn't have the X here. It came very quick in Romania, in less than a week, because this store has a warehouse in France. Okay, looks pretty good. It has this strap here. It has the backrest. Okay, fitting instructions, a simple page, keys and fitment parts and tools, it seems. Also, these reflective stickers. Looks pretty good. It has an interior padding, and also it has on the back its station plate that will go on the motorcycle. This can be taken off. Doesn't feel cheap. It's metallic, aluminum alloy. And it fits one full face helmet rather easily. It also has some space to put your gloves or whatever else you have. The locks are very sturdy. Few more details. It has two pockets on the inside of the cover. The base plate is made of metal, is sturdy, and I removed it with ease from the box. Let me check. Okay. We close it. The keys work. So here's a 360 degrees close-up view of all the box. The hinges here are made from plastic, but they look very solid. The base plate just like this and comes off. Very easy operation. It will be on the bike. So this was my unboxing video for this top case. Stay tuned for the next episode where I will install it on the 450 MT. Hope you guys liked it, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care. Biker Chef out.